Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Stay, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to follow someone on Midjourney. So to get started, open up Midjourney on your device. Here I'm already logged into Midjourney. So I'm gonna follow someone. Suppose I would like to follow this username. I have clicked here, as you can see that, and after clicking here we can see the profile detail of this particular person. You can also send text, like I have written something and you can just press enter. So I have clicked on view profile, and there you can see the send friend request option. Simply click on that in order to follow or send request. So that is how easily you can follow someone on Midjourney. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.